Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have an unboxing for you. I'm gonna unbox the Buds Live, which are probably not new to anybody, but you know, I have to coordinate. So when I buy something, I buy accessories for it. So I picked up this VRS premium case for the Galaxy Buds Live. It's supposed to be a premium case. It's supposed to allow you to wirelessly charge through the case. I mean, and it matches, you know, it's all about coordination. Everything here is bronze. Now, a lot of you already know I have the Powerbeat Pros. The Powerbeat Pros I will continue to use on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just thought it'd be best to use iPhone accessories with iPhone stuff and Samsung accessories with Samsung stuff. I cannot locate my unboxing knife, so we're gonna go at it with just a regular kitchen knife. So let's get started here. Let's see what's in the VRS premium case box. Now, as you can see, we have an installation guide, which you kind of want to read because it has double-sided tape on the inside. That's to hold this inside of this. I've read where some people didn't use it, some people did. It's whatever works for you, and they tell you how to remove it. VRS has two different styles. They have a modern and an active. Active looks kind of hot. I didn't see that one. But, you know, it's whatever. I'm not really going to be taking these to hike or anything. It's just because now I have a new daily driver. I'd like to have Bluetooth that goes with those. They got a nice little, I guess what you would call a lanyard in here, maybe? I don't know if they actually told us how to use that. I see on the box that it's in there. No, it's no instructions on here to kind of tell you how to do that. So we'll wing it. We'll figure it out. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be pretty simple. I can kind of tell. I was looking at the wrong hole. It's not supposed to go here. It's supposed to go there. So we'll kind of do that first. I would say you take these from the inside and one through each hole here. Pull those through. And then knot it at the end. Now, what shocks me about this, as I do this, I'll talk to you about it. In reading the reviews, everybody said these are so big. Now, for me, they're not going to be big because you see what I'm coming from, right? I had to find another way to knot that. I was a Girl Scout, you would think I'd know how to do knots better. But, case is tiny compared to the Powerbeat Pro case. After having to struggle with the double-sided tape, I'm going to try it without the double-sided tape. It seems pretty snug in there without it. There, that's my first look at these. They're very pretty. And here is the top piece. Maybe I should just be putting it on top, but hey, look at there. No double-sided tape and it works just fine. I will keep the other piece in case I want to install it at a later time, but right now, I'm going to roll with this without the tape. Alright, I'm going to go into the Wearables app, right? Samsung Wearables. And we're going to swipe up to get started. The Buds Live is what we're going to pick. Give it permissions for everything. And I am paired. It says I'm at 99%. These were brand new in the box, never used. So I've never looked at any of this. I think I've watched somebody's review on these, but I see it has equalizer here, touch controls, read notification, Bixby, labs, find my earbuds, general, Reset. Let's see if we got any updates. Check for updates. And it says earbuds software update. And we're gonna update it now. We wanna, if we're trying these out for the first time, we want everything to work just great, right? So we're updating. Keep case open. Earbuds will disconnect from your phone when the update starts. Keep case open until update is complete, and earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Okay, we'll do that. So now it says, oddly enough, that my earbuds are at 79% and the case is at 57%. We hadn't done much but an update. But okay. I didn't imagine it would have a 99% juice when it came anyway, so I didn't really believe that.
Let's go.
So now it's giving us the walkthrough again, putting your earbuds in the right ear. With the speaker facing forward, the correct fit will give you the best sound and best noise cancellation. You tap it to play or pause, double tap to go to the next track, answer and call, triple tap, previous track, touch and hold, and that's the user's choice that you change in settings, and deny a call. Okay. Charge with your phone. Of course, I can lay this across the back of my phone and reverse charge it. Good to know. Battery life by the case. Red is less than 30. Yellow is less than 60, and green will be above 60%. You can pair with a phone or a tablet. Yeah, of course. If they don't connect automatically, touch both earbuds for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. If you lose an earbud, you can find them with the smart things. That's good to know. I'm not an audiophile, so for me, what I'm looking for, like, I like to listen to music in them, but at the same time, I also mainly buy them for phone calls. This gets loud enough for me. Not necessarily that I have to go in the orange, but this would probably be as high as I would go. Here's kind of hurts my ear. I'm curious as to whether I'll experience ear fatigue. I get a little bass. You know, you have headphones and it's just like, oh, there's no bass, it's all treble. I can hear hints of bass. Here's some Michael Jackson here. If I was trying to tune things out at work, this is where I would be volume-wise, though. I don't know about both. Let me put both in. It might be too loud. This will be interesting. Okay, I have a tracheus piercing, so I'm more apt to put things in my left ear than my right. And so I just stuck it in my right, and the AirPods gave me problems with my piercing there. My Powerbeat Pros don't really give me issues. And I would have to say that so far so good with these. I'll have to follow up though. Sometimes ear fatigue takes a while. Right now, I feel like I could rock both of these, especially like at work, listening to a book or something. Earth, Wind, and Fire, y'all. Okay, I have to say I like these more than I thought I would. I can't wait to try a phone call out on them, but as for right now, I'll probably just go get them juiced up and await my first phone call. I wanted to get them paired. I wanted to record a video and get this squared away because I'm tired of talking on the phone. So this was something to make life easier for me. Of course, I could probably have talked on my watch. Sorry about the dogs barking in the background, my neighbor's dog. But I'm not big on talking on my watch. This has been an unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Live and the unboxing of the VRS design for the Galaxy Buds Live modern style. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to the channel. All my new subs, all my old subs, welcome to the Royal House. And I hope I catch you on the next video. I am still waiting on cases for the Fold. I am in the process of returning this case for the Fold. But I have 2 at least on the way. And I'm hoping that one of those works out for me. So stay tuned. I'll holler at y'all later. Catch you on the next one. Holla!